Good day, everyone. This video is to walk each staff member through our new HRM platform here at Salvation Ministries. If you haven't received the link yet, you should be getting it shortly. It is smhoshrm.org/staff-biodata-form. We'll go through this together, step by step, from filling out your staff biodata form to getting approved, logging in, and completing your full profile on the platform. Part 1. Filling out the staff biodata form. Once you open the link, you'll land on the staff biodata form page. Step 1. Personal information. Enter your first name and last name. Step 2. Date of birth. Click on the date field. It follows the format day, month, year. Select your correct date of birth. Step 3. Staff role. Choose the role that applies to you. Pastors, admin staff, operatives, or ad hoc. If you select admin staff, the form will show you a list of departments under admin staff. If you select pastor, it will show departments under missions. Choose whichever applies to you. Step 4. Year of employment. Enter the year you joined Salvation Ministries. Step 5. Work location. This is where you physically report for work. For staff at the headquarters, this will be Port Harcourt. For staff outside the headquarters, use your state capital or regional office location. Step 6. Email address. Use a functional active email address. This is where all your login details and updates will be sent. Step 7. Phone number. Enter a reachable phone number. Step 8. Home address. Enter your current residential address, where you live at the moment. Step 9. Marital status, continent, country, and region. Select your marital status, then choose your continent. For most of us, this will be Africa, followed by your country, which will be Nigeria for most staff, and then your region, which refers to your state. For international staff, the system will show the appropriate regions for your country. For example, provinces for Canada, or states for the United States. Step 10. Church branch. Based on your role, the form will bring up a list of branch churches. Select your branch. If your specific branch is not listed, please notify the HR administrator so it can be added. Step 11. Confirmation. Tick the box confirming that all information provided is accurate and truthful, and that you understand it will be used for official administrative purposes. Then click Submit. Once submitted, you'll see a message confirming your application has been received. At this point, you can close the page. Your form now goes to the HR administrator for review. Part 2. Approval and first login. Once the HR administrator reviews and approves your submission, you will receive an email with your account details. This email will include your temporary password and a link to sign in. You can type on your browser address, smhoshrm.org/sign-in, access the login page. Step 1. Sign in. Click the sign-in link in the email. Enter your registered email address and the password provided. Copy and paste the password carefully to avoid errors, then click Sign In. Once logged in, you'll land on your personal dashboard. This is where your profile journey begins. Part 3. Completing your profile. You'll notice a profile completeness indicator. Several sections still need to be filled in. Click Update. Now to begin. Section 1. Bank details. Click Add and enter your bank name, account number, and account name. If applicable, also include your routing number, IBAN, and SWIFT code, then click Add. Each detail you complete increases your profile completeness percentage. Section 2. Documents and signature. You do not need to worry about offer letters or promotional letters. Those are handled by HR. What you do need to do is sign the staff agreement by typing your name exactly as registered, then confirm your signature. Upload a handwritten signature for official ID card production. If you don't already have a digital signature, you can search Create e-signature online. Several free tools let you draw or type your signature and download it as an image. Once downloaded, upload it to the platform. Section 3. Personal documents. You may upload up to 5 key documents, including your CV, school certificates, and NYSC discharge certificate. Simply select the document type and upload the corresponding file. Each upload increases your profile completeness. Section 4. Next of kin. Enter the details of your next of kin. This should be the person closest to you, such as a spouse or parent. Include their name, email address, phone number, relationship to you, and address. Section 5. Work experience. Add your previous work history, similar to a CV, company name, location, dates, and a brief description of your role. You can add multiple entries. Section 6. Work achievements. List any notable achievements from your career. For example, leading a project, forming a committee, or any accomplishment relevant to your professional history. Section 7. Education. Enter your qualifications, including field of study, institution attended, start and end dates, and grade or classification. Section 8. Social links and professional references. Add links to your professional profiles, such as Facebook, LinkedIn, GitHub, or a personal portfolio, if applicable. For references, provide the details of someone who can vouch for you, their name, email, phone number, workplace, position, and their relationship to you. Section 9. Assets. If you have been issued any ministry property, such as a laptop or phone, record the details here. Item name, model, condition, serial number, which is optional, and the date it was assigned to you. Section 10. Housing. This section can be left blank unless it applies to your specific arrangement. Section 11. Confidentiality agreement. Read through the confidentiality statement carefully. This functions like a non-disclosure agreement, confirming that any information you access, written or verbal, made during the course of your work will be kept confidential. Type your name to acknowledge you've read it, then sign. Part 4. Navigating the platform. Once your profile is sufficiently complete, you'll unlock full access to the platform dashboard where you can find events and holidays, upcoming ministry events and public holidays, notifications, updates relevant to you, meetings and tasks, scheduled meetings and assigned tasks, memos, official communications sent to you, attendance. For clocking in and tracking your work hours. Note, if your working location hasn't been set by HR yet, this may show a temporary notice until it's resolved. Leave, for submitting and tracking leave requests. Help Center. Step-by-step guidance for anything you're unsure how to do on the platform. Changing your password. Go to your profile, then navigate to the Security tab. Click Change Password, enter your current password, then your new password, and confirm the change. Uploading a profile picture. You can also upload a profile photo directly from your dashboard. As you complete more sections of your profile, your completeness level increases through different tiers. Reaching the highest tier means your profile is fully complete. In closing, this covers how to navigate the SMHOS HRM platform, from submitting your staff biodata form through approval, login, and completing your full profile. If you have any questions at any point, please reach out to the HR administrator. Thank you.